Oh, the babies are so cute. Look at your babies. Look at your babies. Oh, look at this one over here. Oh, so cute. What's your baby chicks? What's your baby chicks?
Alright, so I've got a little farm life funny for you. About a month and a half, 2 months ago, it was in April sometime, my husband and our grandson went to Runnings, which is a feed store, and they got the baby chicks so that we could have more chickens, so we could have more eggs. And they came home with 9. And they're like yellow, orange, white, brown, and then there were 2 gray ones, and one of them was just a little runt, and my grandson named him Thunder, or her Thunder. They're all supposed to be hens for laying. But we've got a little situation. As they've been growing, I'm like, the gray one looks like the ugly duckling, and maybe it's going to be a swan someday, but it doesn't look like the other chicks. So I'm going to show you. Alright, so these are all of the baby chicks, but we have these 2 gray ones over here, and I'm pretty sure that they're turkeys. Look at it. Look at its neck. Look at its head. There's the other one. Look at them. And their feathers go down on their back. In comparison, the chicken's butts kind of go up, you see? Now look at theirs. That's a turkey. That has to be a turkey. So, I think, yep. Yeah, because look at their legs. They're longer too. So we got them all from the same lot at the feed store, but they look like little wild turkeys. So I don't know. They don't look like the chickens. See the chickens? Look at the body shape. That's got to be a turkey. Look at it. The gray one. See? Alright, I'm going to feed him now. Okay, so I'm just going to put the chicken feed in here. There we go. I'll put some over here. Just wait. We'll put some in here. And get a little more for you. And then I just have to get this back on. Alright, and the gray ones, the 2 gray ones, even look at their heads. They're turkeys. They gotta be turkeys. I mean, they've been raised with the baby chicks. I remember saying when this little one, we called him Thunder, was a baby, I'm like, it's like the ugly duckling. I think it's going to be a swan, but now I think it's going to be a turkey. I did read that turkeys like sunflower seeds. So, I just have some sunflower kernels. So let's see. Here, chickies. Come here, chickies. Let's see if they come and eat. You guys gonna come have some sunflower seeds? He's thinking about it. Oh yeah. See the gray one? The darker gray one and the light gray one. You're going to get in there and have a sunflower seed? They also have a different demeanor than the 2 kind of orange ones and this light colored one. I can actually pet them. Now, of course, it probably won't let me pet him now, but... Ooh. Come here, chick chicks. Come here, chick chicks. They like my fingernails. Don't hurt me. Yeah, there's my turkeys. Not planned. I did not plan to raise turkeys. And I don't think you're actually supposed to have turkey babies with chicken babies, but they're just going to be pets. We're not raising them for anything else. They were sold at the store as chickens. All right, let's see if they like cheesy popcorn. Do you like cheesy popcorn? I'll see if they'll take one. Here, chick, chick. Chick, chick. That was the white one. They're more tame. The orange ones are pretty tame too. Here, chick, chick. They can get their own seeds, so they really don't need me. Oh, here we go. You want another one? You want another one? See if I can get these brown ones. Haven't been super tame. Gotta kind of get them when they're young. Here, sweetie. Chick, chick. Ah! So, Colton, my grandson, is going to try to show you what we're talking about. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little funny look at my farm life here, and I know a lot of you have been asking about seeing the chickens. So the big chickens, we have 9 big chickens, but they're just wandering around. They're free ranging, eating bugs and stuff like that, and I try to get them in the coop at night, but they don't always go in there at night. We've been pretty lucky so far. We've lost a few. In the spring is kind of when the varmints come out, and something got them in the coop because the wire wasn't tight enough, so we added additional wire around the base of the coop. So they have been just fine now. So, and then when those other ones get bigger, we'll have more eggs. And I don't know about the turkeys. We'll see what kind of eggs they lay. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching Farm Life. Bye-bye.